100. Hola, ¿de dónde son?
Dominicano.
Cuba, Nicaragua.
Dominicano.
Hola, ¿de dónde son?
Dominicano.
Dominicano. ¿De dónde son? Venezuela. Dominicano. Hola, ¿de dónde son?
Dominicano.
Dominicano. All right, so we're getting a lot of Dominican Republic. Cubano. ¿Qué?
Nicaragua.
Nicaragua. ¿De dónde son? Nicaragua. ¿De dónde son? Hola, ¿de dónde son? Nicaragua. Okay. So this is the first little batch that has come through. We've still got a lot more people walking up. Ed, if you can pan over to the left right here, we still have several hundred more walking up. But as you can see, almost all of these people are single adults. Once they cross the river, Border Patrol escorts them into this processing area. They've only got one bus right here right now, which isn't going to cut it. And most of these people, they're showing up here to turn themselves in because they know they will be released into the U.S. after processing. That is why they are surrendering themselves.
Well, of course they'll be released in the year. That's the point. Maluja knows that. That's the point. The whole point is to get the bus to release them into the U.S. You want more of this? You can vote on this. Remember, consent to the governed matters. This is still a constitutional republic. Revoke your consent today. Go and vote. I sincerely don't care if you're voting against Biden or for the GOP. I'm not going to argue with you that a lot of people in the GOP are not going to do a lot to solve your problems. Some are. But I'm telling you, the cause of all your problems right now are the Democrats. And you can make a substantial difference in your future today by voting against those guys doing this with the open border. Did you hear Malujan speaking to them, asking them where they're from in Spanish? Dominican Republic, Cuba, Nicaragua. Folks, what's going on here? If you go to Cuba, the Dominican Republic, or Nicaragua, you're going to come back and go through the Inquisition. You're going to go through the metal detector. Sir, you got something? Yeah, that's a belt. Take your belt. Okay. It's going off again. I got a little metal plate in my hip. We're going to have to do surgery and check out that hip. We do it in the back room. Really? Yes, no anesthetic. We're cutting him off. Oh, okay. Yes, he has a metal thing in his hip. That's correct. This is you coming into your own country where you're a citizen. If you're everyone else, where you're from, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Nicaragua, nothing happens. You just come in, you get on a bus, you get a free ride. Isn't it great? I want you to do that. Next time you come back through JFK, Miami, Dulles, Chicago, some of the big customs airports where you're going to go through a customs checkpoint on the way back, I want you to demand the bus. Just say, hey, do I get a bus? Travel where I need to go? You know what they're going to tell you? Double barrel middle finger for you. That's a big... Gosh, sometimes these FCC restrictions are a little rough. I know, foul language no good. I get it. But sometimes it's like, when you travel a lot and you come back into the country a lot, you see the arduous process you have to go through. You watch stuff like this, and it's infuriating. Because you do realize there are two Americas, like John Edwards, the Prell guy. Remember John Edwards ran for vice president, Remember him, Prell dude? He had the $400 haircut, they called him the Prell guy. He used to give this speech about two Americas. It was a big liberal speech. Corporate titans are ruining it for... bull. That's total crap. There are two Americas. But what he wasn't telling you are, the two Americas are the working class like us, and then the people government designates with special rules. They all get special rules. The woke class, illegal immigrants, that's not us. We don't get those rules. You get to vote on this today. Don't care if you're voting against that or if you're voting for the GOP, as long as you go out and vote right. Here's another one. You want more of this? I saw this morning. We're going to go from big issues to granular issues to medium-sized issues to show you how you can stop this right now. You have a say, too. The biggest say of all. Washington Times. Eating disorders spiked among young people during COVID lockdown, study finds. Gee, shocker. Lockdowns, we got school scores going down, as John Snyder said before, the delegate from Florida. You got kids who are depressed. You got learning losses. Now eating disorders. And they're by the way, they will do, believe me, these big government tyrants will undoubtedly do more lockdowns. I have zero doubt if given the opportunity. Zero doubt. You want more of this? Eating disorders. You know why I got a theory on this. You know why there's more eating disorders? Because these kids are sitting at home, they're not in school, they're doing dopey Zoomy lessons, and they're sitting there taking Instagram selfies all day. You ever go work out in the gym these days? Every kid's got a tripod, they're filming themselves working out. What do you need to see, bro? You're working out. Just work out. I don't need the video. I don't need to be in your video. Every time I go to my gym, I gotta run a gauntlet of people's videos because I don't want to be in their videos. I don't want, look, there's Dan Bongino in the background of video with his disgusting skinny legs or whatever. I don't need that. I'm not in to sell my bag of donuts. Just go to the gym. Just go to the gym and work out. This is what they're doing. They're home all day on Instagram and TikTok, taking selfies and videos of themselves. Oh, how many likes did I get? You wonder why eating disorders went crazy during COVID lockdowns? Because they weren't in school. So all they were doing is taking selfies and looking for likes all day. You want more of that? Then vote Democrat today. I promise you, it will bring you, it'll be a lockdown-osaurus if they're elected again and there's another outbreak of COVID. All right, I gotta take a break. I got Neil Parrott coming up. Running in the congressional district I used to run, and I want to talk to him about what happened in Maryland yesterday. Biden showed up there in Maryland. Probably cost the gubernatorial candidate 10 points. Didn't even know his name. We'll talk to him about that coming up next. We'll be right back.
NobleGoldInvestments.com. Inflation is not only a real concern, the rate seems only to be trending upwards. The financial experts are saying gold could hit as high as $2,400 by 2023. Visit NobleGoldInvestments.com today. A precious metals IRA acts like a shield for inflation. Noble Gold specializes in storing the value of your wealth through gold IRAs, so they're truly a natural choice for your retirement portfolio. Act now, and with any qualified purchase, write or mention IRA, and you'll get a 3-ounce silver American Virtue coin. You heard right. Just mention IRA, and you'll get a 3-ounce silver American Virtue coin. Don't let inflation affect you or your retirement. Visit NobleGoldInvestments.com. That's NobleGoldInvestments.com. NobleGoldInvestments.com. Investment involves risk. Past performance is no guarantee. Future results.
Dan Bongino. You're listening to the Dan Bongino Show on the Bay Area's home for conservative talk on your radio and smart speaker at 560 KSFO.
Science proves quality sleep is vital to your mental, emotional, and physical health. The Sleep Number 360 smart bed senses your movements and automatically adjusts to help keep you both effortlessly comfortable. And it's temperature balancing, so you stay cool. So you're your best for yourself and those you care about most. Life-changing sleep, only from Sleep Number. And now save 40% on the Sleep Number 360 Special Edition smart bed plus special financing, only for a limited time. To learn more, go to sleepnumber.com. Special financing subject to credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. See store for details.
Buying a home? Rocket Mortgage will cover 1% of your rate for the first year at no cost to you with Inflation Buster. That's more road trips, more front row seats. Plus, if rates drop within 3 years of your home purchase, you get exclusive savings when you refinance with Rate Drop Advantage. Save when you buy today and refinance tomorrow. Call 8337-ROCKET today or visit inflationbuster.com to start saving.
For fees, cover rate requirements and other terms and conditions, visit inflationbuster.com. Call 1-8337-ROCKET. The clause included license also to states and consumer.access.org.
Universal Studios Hollywood is where the holidays come together. We've tested it. Festive food with refreshing Coca-Cola. Family, friends, and father-in-law. Dazzling lights cranked up to maximum merriment. The Grinch and his dog pants. Stealing your tree. All the science adds up. It's the awesomest celebration of the season. Save $20 on a Coca-Cola 2-day general admission ticket. Offer ends 12/14/22. Restrictions apply. Details at universalstudioshollywood.com/Coca.
Have you been waiting for just the right job? Then welcome to the end of your search. Amazon has seasonal warehouse jobs in your area, and now is a great time to apply. You can start getting paid right away and work close to home. Applying is easy. You don't even need an interview. So what are you waiting for? Come join the team and get a great seasonal job offer today. Visit Amazon.com/hiring. Amazon is an equal opportunity employer.
We are Fresno County.
Parents, workers, voters,
Young people. There's a movement of people, everyday Fresnans, coming together because we know we deserve better.
Coalitions like community and labor coming together.
We imagine together, build together,
creating opportunities and access for everybody.
To ensure that Fresno County nurtures and encourages the success of everyone.
Together, we can shape a Fresno County that can represent all of us. Come join us. Text Fresno to 844-504-1666.
Bongino Golden Rule number 7. If you The epoxy